It's set at 950. This is the time it took to reach 950, 3 hours and 56 minutes. Here's your timer. It's currently set at 2 minutes. So to start the timer, it's the button on the left. To reset the timer, it's the button on the right. So it took about 2.5 minutes to recover, so I will open it. We let it go to about 9:15, simulating your company putting parts in it. I'll start my timer here to show you the recovery time. And now if I start this timer, the indicator is blinking green. The timer is currently set at 2 minutes. So when this hits 2 minutes, it'll turn off the furnace. You can set it for 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever time your part requires to be in there. And then automatically when your part is done, heating or hardening or whatever you're using it for, it'll turn off automatically. You can see the amperage went up since we opened the door, so you're back at 11.2 amps. Generally, when it's at 950, you're at about 10 amps. So yeah, we've already gone up 25 degrees in only 46 seconds. So it recovers pretty quickly. So now you're back at temperature at 2 minutes, and the timer should be just right behind. So once the timer goes off, it'll kill the heat. So now the timer has gone off. If you look at the amp meter, it killed the amperage to the heaters, so the heater is off now. So now if I hit reset, the furnace is back on, and you can reset your timer again by pressing the start button. So whatever you have your timer set to, say you want to run another 2-hour cycle, you're just going to hit start again.